Hey, babe. I know you're probably wondering what's going on today. Why am I got you going around here, getting ready, bringing our son? We'll say, but real quick, you remember this spot? You know this area? I know I do. And it's when I first ever in my life told you that I love you. And during that time, I said that I love you, and I did. I did have love for you. But of course, we both know that my actions moving forward, it was a struggle. And I could have definitely showed you more love than I did throughout these years. But thank God that we are where we are now. And so today is a day of restoration. And today, I just want to let you know that I do love you, Jasé. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart that I love you. And so I want this moment, I want this spot for as many times as you pass it here at State, while we're here, to be a good memory and not a bad memory. So I love you, and just always remember
Been together for a while now.
that. Hey, babe. So we're at another spot, and it's another spot in our lives that was kind of rough. But you know, I don't know if you remember this location. I'm sure that you do, because it's almost the day that we ended. Everything that we have now almost didn't see the light of day, simply because there was about to be no us. But thankfully, by the grace of God, we were able to pull through. And so once again, I don't want you to walk past this place on campus, and I don't want myself to walk past here and think about, oh my gosh, I almost lost the love of my life. So today, I restored this spot for every other moment in our lives that we ever come across this very location on campus. And that this moment is no longer a bad moment in our life, but it's one of love and one of restoration. And I mean, who knows whether next memory may happen on campus. I do.
105 is the number that comes to my head when I think of all the years I wanna be with you. Wake up every morning with you in my bed. That's precisely what I plan to do. And you know one of these days, when I get my money right, buy you everything and show you all the finer things in life. We'll forever be in love, so there ain't no need to ride. But one day I won't be able to ask you loud enough, and I say, will you marry me? I swear that I would mean it. I say, will you marry me? Oh, yeah. It feels like marry me, baby. Oh, yeah.